For exercise 4D, first you have to understand the concept of reciprocals. So reciprocal means just the reverse. For example, reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Just reverse it. 5 will go in numerator, 4 will come in denominator. See, I am not giving the equals to sign. I will write the statement like this: reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Similarly, reciprocal of 3 is, this is 3 by 1, so this will become 1 by 3. You just have to reverse the number. This is what reciprocal is. So this is the first question, 1A from exercise 4D. Similarly, reciprocal of 13 by 15. This will be 15 by 13. Now for this number, question number D. The question is 1 3 by 7. So first I'll convert this into improper fraction. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 by 7. Now I will write reciprocal of 10 by 7 is 7 by 10. So in this way you will complete your first question. Now coming to the second question, which is division of fractional numbers. 2C. The number is 9 by 10 divided by 6 by 25. So for division, what you have to do? First, write the first term as it is. So I will write 9 by 10. Now instead of division, give the multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of this number. So this will be 25 by 6. Now I can give the sign like this. So cut the number from numerator with the denominator. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. So I'll divide this 2 and this 5. These two numbers are divisible by 3. So upon dividing 6 by 3, I get 2, and 9 divided 3, 3. Now your answer will be 3 into 5, 15 by 2 into 2, 4. You can write this as in mixed fraction. So this is how you divide two fractional numbers. We'll continue this like question number 3D. Your number is 10, 9 by 16 divided by 1, 43 by 48. So first what you have to do is you have to convert this into mixed fraction, improper fraction. So this will be 10 into 16, 160 plus 9. This will be 169 by 16. Give the division sign. Now this 1 into 48, 48. 48 plus 43. This will be 91 by 48. Now what I will do? I will replace this division with into and I will write the reciprocal. So the question will become, the answer will become just a minute. It will become 169 by 16 into, instead of division I will write into, and instead of 91 by 48 I will write 48 by 91. Now I know 16 3s is 48. So 16 divided by 16, 1. This will be 3. Both the numbers are divisible by 13. 13 7s are and 13 13s are. So I will write 13 into 3, 39 by 7. Now you can write this in mixed fraction. So this is how you will divide. I'll show another question which has a whole number. So 25 divided by 5 by 8. Very simple. First you will write 25. Instead of division, give the multiplication sign. Instead of 5 by 8, you will write 8 by 5. Now this is divisible by 5. So you are getting 5 into 8, 40. This is simple as that. Now coming to more questions like question number M. The question is written like this: 14 by 15 by, this by is a little bigger, 4, 9 by 10. So first you have to understand this by means division. So I will rewrite the question as 14 by 15. Instead of this by, I will write divide and then write this number as such. Do not do the reciprocal now. Now I have written the question. Now what we'll do, we'll convert the mixed into improper. 4 into 10, 40 plus 9, 49 by 10. Now we will write the reciprocal form. So instead of division, we'll give into. Instead of 49 by 10, we will write 10 by 49. Both the numbers are divisible by 7. So 7 2s and 7 7s are. These numbers are divisible by 5. So 3 and 2. So the number stands 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 3, 21. This is the number. So this is how you will do the question L, M, N and O. Now coming to the word problems. Fourth question. 3 by 4 meter of wire is needed for certain electric connection. How many connections can be made with 105 meter of this wire? What you have to understand is 105 meter is the total length of the wire. Whenever total length is given and we need to find the number, then we will divide. So what will be the first statement? Total length. Total length of wire equals to 105 meter. Then I will write length of each piece, or rather each connection, equals to 3 by 4 meter. So this will be 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 meter. Thus I will write therefore number of connections equals to, just remember that total portion, total answer will come at first. So 105 divided by 15 by 4. Now what you have to do? Write 105. Instead of division, you'll give a multiplication sign, and 15 by 4 will become 4 by 15. Now keep on dividing the numbers, you'll get a whole number. Fifth question. How many pieces of ribbons, each this long, can be cut from a roll of 2 4 by 7 meter long? So here also you know the total length is 2 4 by 7 meter long. And length of each piece is 3 by 7. So how will you write the statement? First statement will be total length of ribbon equals to 2 4 by 7 meter. This will be, I am not writing the total length of ribbon. Then you will write length of each piece equals to 3 by 7 meter. Then therefore number of pieces, just like we had done in our previous question. For number of pieces, you'll have to divide. Keep in mind that the total length should come first. So 2 4 by 7 divided by 3 by 7. How will we solve? By converting this into improper fraction. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18 by 7. Then division, 3 by 7. Now 18 by 7, instead of division we will give into. 3 by 7 will become 7 by 3. 7 7 cut, 3 6 are 18. So 6 ribbons can be cut. Sheila wants some sheets of paper. She buys a big sheet of paper and cuts it into pieces, each of which is 1 by 18 of the full sheet. How many sheets can she get? See, again for the number of sheets you'll have to divide. You already know the size of each sheet, 1 by 18, and as you can see it is written size of one sheet, size of the whole sheet is suppose 1. Therefore number of sheets will be 1 divided by 1 by 18. Seventh question. 3/4 of a tank can be filled in 17 1/4 minutes. How many minutes will it require to fill the whole tank? You know that to find the answer for a single thing, we have to divide. So I will write like this. Time taken to fill 3/4 tank equals to 17 minutes. 17 1/4 minutes. So time taken to fill one tank equals to 17 1/4 divided by 3/4. Now how will we solve? First convert this into improper fraction, then into and reciprocal. A container holds 5 1/5 liter of water. A bottle holds 3.5 liter less water than the container. So first, then water from the container and the bottle are mixed and poured equally into 30 glasses. How much water does each glass contain? First we will find the total quantity of water. एक कंटेनर में इतना पानी है और बॉटल में कंटेनर से इतना कम है, तो पहले हम लोग बॉटल का क्वांटिटी निकालेंगे. I will write quantity of water in container equals to 5 1/5 liter. Then quantity of water in bottle. It is written that bottle contains 3.5 liter less. Means this minus 3.5. So what you have to do? First convert this into improper. This will be 26/5 minus 7/2. Then take the LCM. 5 and 2 LCM is 10. Divide these numbers. So 26 into, upon division you will get 2. So 26 into 2 minus 7 into, upon division you will get 5. So 7 into 5. So your answer will be 26 into 2, 52 minus 7 into 5, 35 by 10, which is equals to 17 by 10 liter. So this much 5 1/5 liter is in the container, 17 by 10 is in bottle. So what will be the total quantity when the water from container and bottle are mixed? So I will write total quantity of water equals to water in the container 5 1/5 plus water in the bottle 17 by 10. I will convert this into mixed into improper. 26/5 plus 17 by 10. Find the LCM. 5 and 10 LCM is 10. Now 26 into, upon dividing we will get 2. So 26 into 2 plus 17 into 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 17 into 1. This is 52 plus 17 by 10, which is equals to 69 by 10. Now how many glasses are there? Number of glasses equals to 30. Therefore, quantity of water in each glass equals to, what is the total quantity? 69 by 10 liter. For finding the quantity in each glass, you'll have to divide by 30. So this is 69 by 10. Instead of division, I will write into. Instead of 30, I will write 1 by 30. I will divide this by 30. This is 23 and this is 10. Sorry, dividing both the numbers by 10. So this is 23 by 100 liter. If I will convert this into milliliter, then I can multiply 1000 ml. 0 0 cut. This is 23 into 10, 230 milliliter. So each glass contains 230 milliliter of water. So please watch the video carefully and complete the exercise 4D.